has 6 mics. Yeah, we're here. Welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech. This one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the Earfun Free Pro 3. This one here, guys. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about them. Price, specs, how they sound inside, outside, sound signature, and in the end, I'm gonna tell you if they're worth the price. With this said, let's start the review. Starting with the price, the Earfun Free Pro 3 has a price tag of $79.99 in US. For the UK, the price is the same but in pounds, so it will cost you £79.99. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Inside the box, you have 5 sets of silicone ear tips, with 1 set of foam ear tips, and 3 ear grips. This allows you to keep the Free Pro 3 in your ears so they don't move around. You have also a USB-C charging cable, the manuals, and the Earfun Free Pro 3. Moving over to the design and build quality of the earbuds and the case. The case is really small compared with the Air Pro 3. These are a lot smaller, and this is because they don't have the stem style design. Again, the case is really small, so very easy to take it everywhere on your pocket. On top, the case you have the Earfun logo. At the back, the USB-C port for charging that you don't need to use because these ones have Qi wireless charging. At the front, you have an LED for battery indication. The lid opening is very smooth and they will stay open in all positions. The earbuds are also really small. They have the little wing tips that stick up, but they don't stick out much in your ears. And this is the design that I prefer. I don't like to make it known that I have earbuds on my ears all the time. Battery life. With the ANC off, you will get around 7.5 hours of playback time, with the case giving you about 33 hours. Using the gaming mode or the ANC on will drop the battery life on earbuds to about 6 hours. But you will have a really nice fast charging, with 10 minutes of charging giving you 2 hours of playback time. Another great feature is that these earbuds have Qi wireless, so you only need to put them on top of any Qi wireless and that's it. Talking about features next, the Earfun Free Pro 3 comes with advanced Qualcomm QCC3072 SoC with Bluetooth 5.3, with support for aptX Adaptive, AAC, LC3 and SBC. They have the Qualcomm Snapdragon Sound Certification, 7mm wool composite drivers, Quiet Smart 2.0 Hybrid ANC, multi-device connectivity, gaming mode with less than 55 milliseconds ultra-low latency. They come with IPX5, sweat and water resistant, and with support for the Earfun audio app at stock ANC. The noise cancelling on this pair is very impressive, especially because of this price point. Earbuds at this price point usually don't have impressive ANC. The Free Pro 3 does such a good job not only blocking out lower tones like road noises or cabin noises, but also people talking. And if you need to hear your surroundings, the ambient mode also works really well. You can have a conversation on this mode without taking the earbuds out. The Free Pro 3 have support for the Earfun audio app. On top, you can see the earbuds and the battery life in both earbuds and the case. Next is the ANC modes. Below that, the gaming mode on and off. After that, the EQs. So you have the default sound, preset, custom and OLAV signature. After that, you have the tab to customize your controls. Or if you wish, the option to disable all controls. Good for when you're doing sports, for example. A simple app that have all the functions that you need. The Earfun Free Pro 3 has 6 mics with ENC for clear calls. So please be the judge on the next mic call quality, inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Earfun Free Pro 3. The start of the studio, so there's no sounds around, so no noises, just the fans from the lights, nothing else. So this is how they will sound if you want to take a phone call indoors. We're going to go outside and do the same outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Earfun Free Pro 3 outside. It's a bit windy, it's raining, so yeah, this is how they will sound if you want to take a phone call outside. We're going to go inside and carry on with the review. Talking about the most important feature, the sound signature. These use 7mm wool composite dynamic drivers. And it's a very dynamic sound pair of earbuds in my opinion. They have a really punchy bass, with a nice clean brighter treble, basically the Harman curve. The mids are pushed just slightly forward, so that you can hear vocalists really well. The treble doesn't get harsh, and the bass doesn't have that overlay bloated looseness to it. They work really well across all music choices. Soundstage and sound imaging is also really good. They give you the feel that you are on a really large room. The Earfun Free Pro 3 have a gaming mode, so you don't need to worry about lag, because it has a 55 milliseconds ultra latency low. From my testing, games like PUBG have a very minimal to none latency. Watching movies on YouTube or Netflix is lag-free. So, my final opinion on the Earfun Free Pro 3. So, these earbuds don't have the stamp. And you don't have to sacrifice anything. You get the Snapdragon sound. You have the aptX adaptive, Qi wireless charging, really decent battery life, with app support. It's a lot that you can get in a pair that costs less than $100. So, if you are looking for a new pair of earbuds that have all the features, sound great, and don't break the bank, the Earfun Free Pro 3 are the right ones for you. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Earfun Pro 3. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it all around with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.